Quite the project we have here. Where do you want the big ladder? Bring it around to the left side by the tower. The plaster is completely shot on this side.
Right, just on this side.
And the turret looks unstable. See the sagging up there? We need to secure this area first. Copy that. Send up the materials for the turret. Look here on the plans. The load-bearing wall intersects right above this section.
Yeah.
That explains the sagging on the second floor balcony. We'll need temporary supports. Pull that section down.
Yep.
All right, watch out below.
All right.
We need another wheelbarrow over here. This one's heavy, lift together.
On three.
On three. 1, 2, 3. Looks much better already. Yeah, we cleared most of the front path. Keep bagging the rest. This one is stuck good. Help me with this thick vine.
All right.
All right, pull on 3. 1, 2, 3. Lift it higher.
Oh, yeah.
Hold it steady right there. All right, secure the base.
Secure that bracket tight. Watch the alignment, it's straightening now. Looks good from here, lock it down.
Watch out below, debris coming down. Clear the scaffold on the left. All right, easy now. Watch the left side, it's cracking. Bring it down slow. Hold that piece steady. All right, secure the flashing.
Faster, we need to finish this section. Applying the final coat now. Looks good, keep sanding.
Careful with that section, it's heavy. Yep.
Secured. The fit is tight.
The craftsmanship on these repairs is holding up well.
Here's the broom, start sweeping over there.
Yep.
Careful with that beam, it looks unstable.
Yep.
Let's clear this center section first. Easy, watch the wires on the left side. Okay, I'm bringing the chandelier down slowly now.
Yeah.
Clear over here.
We should start by securing the balusters before we bring up the heavy gear. Agreed. This dust is going to be everywhere once we start drilling. Okay, slide the new pane in now.
Careful, it's heavy. Does that fit the sash frame?
Yeah, just hold it steady while I use the glazing tool.
Perfect.
Looks incredible.
Yeah, job well done.
Make sure that's perfectly aligned before I nail it in. Looks straight. Moving to the next section now.
This wallpaper is going to be tough to remove.
Let's get the ladder up first and check the ceiling damage properly. This whole section here is unstable. We need to clear it first.
Got it. I'll start prying from this end. This shelving unit is completely unstable.
Copy that. The plaster up there is ready to come down. We need to secure this area immediately.
The water damage extends all the way down the east wall.
All right, let's start with demolition on the fireplace surround, then address the structural issues. I'll start pulling this section up. Looks like water damage underneath.
Noted. We need to check the exterior seal by the window as well.